If you're thinking of getting solar, you may have done some kind of research relative to the best solar panels or best solar inverters. But there's one place to start your research where the outcome can dictate how you go about putting solar on your roof. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Drone Quote YouTube channel. I'm your host, Sinue. Today we're going to discuss the best roof for your solar panels. In this video, you'll learn how your roof plays a considerable part in how solar goes on your crib. For better or worse, your roof is your roof. And knowing some of these factors can save you real Benjamins. First, let's talk about roof materials. The material of your roof plays a significant role in the solar panel installation process and overall efficiency. Popular materials include asphalt shingles, metal roofing, tile roofing, wood shake, and flat roofs. The least expensive and easiest roof material onto which solar panels can be installed are oftentimes asphalt shingles. Next, let's discuss roof shape. The shape of your roof can impact the amount of sunlight your solar panels receive and their efficiency. Each shape has unique characteristics that can affect solar panel installation and performance. A roof with a more uniform square shape will more than likely offer better panel placement than an oddly shaped roof. Remember that nowadays, most jurisdictions require some kind of setback or distance from the panel to a specific roof characteristic like a valley, eave, rake, or ridge. Now let's talk about roof orientation and pitch. The roof orientation and pitch onto which solar panels are installed play a role in electricity output. These two variables are defined by where you live on the planet and the orientation of your roof on which the panels are installed. In the contiguous United States, optimal orientation is southward and can range between 30 to 45 degrees in pitch. However, the time of year also plays a factor because the sun rests at different angles in the sky relative to the time of year. So there's that. The age and condition of your roof are also essential factors to consider. It's crucial to assess your roof's lifespan and compare how it matches up to your solar panel installation. We don't recommend putting solar panels on roofs older than 20 or even 15 years if you live in a harsh climate. If you need a new roof, your budget for the project may change quite drastically. And last but not least, let's hope you don't get a shady solar deal. Many years ago, I came across a homeowner whose property butted up against a state park with an obscenely tall Torrey pine tree that provided the most beautiful shade on their roof, rendering it completely useless for solar. I suggested cutting down the tree, but he didn't feel solar was worth jail time. I suppose I can relate. Regardless of the source, shade can make a poor roof for solar. And that's just shady business. No matter what, solar panel technology will change, but the kind of roof you have and the viability for solar are unique to each house. Having a firm grasp of how your roof situation influences your adoption of solar is important so you not only ask the right questions, but consider the appropriate technology. If you like this video, you know what to do. And I hope you now better understand how to gauge your roof for solar. Until next time, hasta la vista, baby.